Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive into the details of two high-performance graphics cards, the PowerColor Reaper AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT and the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. Both cards are designed for gaming enthusiasts, but they come with different architectures and features that cater to various needs. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance capabilities, and pricing to help you decide which GPU might be the best fit for your gaming setup. When it comes to performance, the PowerColor Reaper AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT is built to deliver strong gaming performance with its 16 GB of GDDR6 memory. It is designed to handle demanding games at high settings. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 4070 Ti not only matches this memory capacity, but also introduces advanced features like DLSS 3 and ray tracing capabilities, which can significantly enhance the gaming experience in supported titles. This makes the ASUS card a compelling choice for gamers looking for cutting-edge technology. In terms of pricing, the PowerColor Reaper AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT is priced at $749, making it a more affordable option for gamers who want high performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 4070 Ti comes with a higher price tag of $869. While it offers advanced features, the additional cost may not be justifiable for all users, especially those on a budget. It's essential to weigh the performance benefits against the price when making your decision. Both graphics cards come with impressive specifications, but they differ in features. The PowerColor card offers solid performance with its GDDR6 memory and multiple display outputs, making it suitable for multi-monitor setups. Meanwhile, the ASUS card stands out with its support for DLSS 3 and ray tracing, which can provide a significant performance boost in compatible games. Additionally, the SFF-Ready design of the ASUS card makes it a great choice for compact builds, offering versatility without sacrificing performance. In conclusion, both the PowerColor Reaper AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT and the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 4070 Ti have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers solid performance, the PowerColor card is a great choice. However, if you want the latest features and are willing to invest a bit more, the ASUS card may be the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.